Are members of your family more susceptible to allergies or viruses in your home? Have you noticed odors from pets, cooking, or from your air conditioning system? Are you tired of seeing sunbeams or tiny floating particles in the room? Are static electricity shocks an issue in your home? If you experience any of these issues, then you need an IWave Air Purifier. IWave delivers cleaner, healthier air for you and your family to enjoy. IWave installs in your air conditioning or heating ventilation system, safely treating the air throughout the home. Unlike other technologies, IWave produces no ozone or harmful byproducts and requires no bulbs or replacement parts. IWave kills mold, mildew, and viruses, and it reduces allergens, odors, smoke, static electricity, and dust particles in the air. IWave's technology generates the same ions as nature creates with lightning, waterfalls, and ocean waves without developing any ozone. When these ions are injected into the airstream, they break down passing pollutants and gases into harmless compounds like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. The harmless ions created by this technology attach themselves to allergens, smoke, pollen, airborne particles, and more. The particles cling to each other until they are heavy enough to be moved by the air current and caught by the air filter, resulting in a reduction of airborne particles that can cause respiratory problems. IWave products effectively purify the air in a home or building without producing any harmful byproducts or needing ongoing expensive replacement parts. Remember, only IWave air cleaners safely treat the air so you and your family can live and breathe better.
Call Bass Air Conditioning Company to schedule your IWave installation. 910-424-3570.